I'm Zap Zach here with Motor Controls. We're going to power in a 220 volt pigtails. One pigtail controls my 600 volt terminal block, which actually controls my 120 volt step down to 24 volt transformer. From there, I also have my hot controlling my timed relay. My timed relay is on 10 seconds now. So after if I were to plug this in, when I do, I'll plug in my timed relay. I have a red light on, indicating it has power, meaning the connection's there. Now my timer is at 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, my light will come on. Okay, in the perfect world, now this is an indicator light, meaning that I have now power to my motor or whatever fan or other controls that are ultimately signified or designated by this switch. So therefore, now I will take my second whip, which is my contactor and ultimately my contactor to my motor, excuse me. So my power is running up 120 volts to my 600 volt terminal block, spliced accordingly opposite of the connections. Always pay attention to that. Coming up to my step down transformer, 120 volts to 24 volts. My 224 volts out to my 300 volt low voltage terminal block. From there I have a line that goes to my relay and another line that powers my contactor. So my second line for powering my contactor is controlled by my relay here, which is on the bottom block here. From there, when I signal my relay, turn it on in my pressured relay, moving it left or right, it will open the contactor, allowing the contacts to be made, allowing the electricity to flow through from my red line all the way down to my motor, which will run in a clockwise direction. And the motor is a single phase 115 volts. I always refer to the diagram on the motor per wiring. Remember, L1 is always your hot, L2 is your neutral, and always ground your motor. So I'm gonna switch this relay and my motor is gonna come on. So you hear that? That's running a good steady stop. If I go to the other side, it's still running pretty good. I take my amp meter and I'm testing now the amperage. So I'm at a 3.73, you know, it's doing pretty good. It's where it should be. It's not overheating and it's not a safety hazard right now. Turned it off, my amperage goes back down to 0. This is Zap Zach with Motor Controls. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please make sure to follow and like me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and thanks for watching.